Welcome back to another edition of Juicing with Jay. As you can see behind me, I just put up a makeshift trellis. I built it 2 levels, 1, 2. That's where I'm going to be putting my passion fruit. If you've ever grown passion fruit before, you know that it tends to grow wild. So I'm going to plant it next to the trellis and have it grow up that trellis and clean out this bed while I'm at it. So that's what's going on. This is a plant that I got from my friend Alex that I was telling you guys about. I thought I was going to be able to add it to the video, but you know, it didn't happen. So I just created that trellis out of the 2 PVC pipes that my neighbor with the barking dogs gifted to me. So he has a whole bunch of it and he said he has no use for it. So I'm going to make good use of it. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I'm gonna clean up the bed and then I'm gonna plant that into the bed and that'll be it. You know the motto, each one teach one, Juicing with Jay, and I will see you on the next video. Peace. All right, guys, there you have it. Whew, passion fruit was a little bit of work, but not that much. You got the trellis, got the passion fruit. I put a little extra baby one right on the side. If one doesn't make it, hopefully the other one will. You know the motto, each one teach one, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.